Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator to your repository in GitHub. This is essential when you're working on a project with others and need to grant them access to contribute directly to your codebase. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the account that owns the repository you want to share, as you'll need full access permissions to add collaborators. After you've signed in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Take a look at the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this panel and click on the specific repository you want to add collaborators to. This could be any project you're currently working on where you need additional team members to have access. Once you've opened your repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage all the configuration options for your repository, including access controls. Now in the settings area, you'll see a left sidebar with various options. Scroll through this sidebar until you find the option called Collaborators. Click on it to open the Collaborators management page. This is where you can view current collaborators and add new ones who will be able to push changes directly to your repository. On the Collaborators page, you'll notice a button that says Add People. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a search field where you can invite new collaborators to join your project. In the search field that appears, you can enter the username, full name, or email address of the person you want to add. GitHub will start suggesting matching profiles as you type, making it easier to find the exact person you're looking for. Once you see the correct user in the suggested options, click on their profile. Finally, after selecting the user, click the Add button to confirm. GitHub will send them an invitation to collaborate on your repository. The person will receive a notification and will need to accept the invitation before they can start contributing. Once they accept, they'll have push access to your repository and can begin working on the project alongside you. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator to your GitHub repository, enabling seamless teamwork on your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.